Who's your favorite train, Press?
Lady.
Lady's your favorite?
Or Henry is my favorite.
Oh. Uh-oh. There you go. Whoops. Lady's having a rough afternoon. She thinks she's tired.
Yeah, I think her is tired. Her needs a rest.
She needs a rest. You gonna take Henry around?
Yeah.
Take him for a spin? Is it beep beep backing up?
Going up to other track. Went to other track.
Whoa, can he make up the hill? Save enough coal in his tender? Yeah. What's his number?
6.
Somebody else green is 6. Who else is green?
Percy.
Right. What's the number on the side of Henry?
Number 1.
No, that's someone number. That's Thomas's number. Whoa, let's see. What does it say on there? What number is it? How old are you?
5.
You're 3.
I'm number 1.
You are number 1, but you are 3 years old. Do you think that's how old Henry is? Can I tell you a story?